तो अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ 12 ऐसे बहाने जो लड़कियाँ हम लड़कों को अक्सर सुनाती हैं। मैंने सुने हैं एंड आई एम श्योर आप लोगों ने भी सुने होंगे। तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। सो लेट्स लिसन टू द 12 मोस्ट कॉमन एक्सक्यूजेस दैट वुमेन मेक टू अस। नंबर 1, मुझे पढ़ना है अब मेरा करियर बनाना है। I want to focus on my career. Then why you even want friendship? Don't you think you should better focus on your studies? Then one less friend would mean even lesser distraction. Number 2, पापा नहीं मानेंगे. Then why didn't you tell this right in the beginning? Didn't you know what that boy was with you for? Why you didn't tell to him this when you were chatting with him late nights and asking him for favors? She suddenly realizes this after walking all over you. She knows it's the time to get apart now. You are no more needed. Number 3, you are more than friend. Then why are you so afraid of giving him the treatment of more than friend? When she tells you this, she just wants free favors and attentions and validations, and sometimes she wants you to stick to her as a backup of her real boyfriend. She wants you so that she can talk to you about everything that she can't talk about with her boyfriend. नंबर 4, मैं अब मिलने नहीं आऊँगी, बस बात करूँगी। फिर बात भी क्यों करूँगी? When you don't have time to meet someone in person, then why to waste his time on phone? But you know what? It just feels good to have one more fan in my phone. Number 5, I like you. आप बहुत अच्छे हो. Now you keep giving me free attention and validations. Whenever I'll be free, I'll ping you to kill my time and listen to all the compliments from you. I want you in my life to enjoy a little flirt time, or maybe sometimes to get free food and gifts. Number 6, अब आज मूड नहीं है मिलने का. Then why did you promise to come to meet? What has happened in just 24 hours? She uses this excuse most often to flake. What she means is, even though I am not really into you, but I also don't want to lose you. I want you to linger around me because I may need you someday. Number 7, आज माँ के साथ मार्केट जाना है. The day you ask her to come to date, she gets some very urgent job to do on the very same day at the very same time. Something so urgent that she just can't postpone it. Number 8, I have a boyfriend. What she means is, I am not interested, not even ready for friendship. Number 9, I am single. She means chase me, make me feel special to win me. Though I already know what kind of guy I am waiting for to get into relationship with. What's the problem in entertaining myself a little with you? Or sometimes maybe she is already in relationship with somebody. She just is still in mood of entertaining herself from you. Number 10, I need more time. What she means is, even though you are cute enough to be friend, but you still don't match the imagination I have in my mind to get physical with, or maybe she is already getting physical with some other man. She just doesn't want to lose you as a friend. Number 11, I have to cancel tonight. I got something urgent to do. What she means is that she has got a better date. Maybe somebody she has been eyeing on suddenly has got agreed to go on a date with her. When woman really likes you, she never cancels date. Number 12, you deserve someone better. What she actually means is, I deserve someone better. Friends, a woman is making all these excuses to keep number of beta orbiters around her. Don't think she doesn't understand anything. She knows what you boys are with her for and what you boys are making her feel special for. She is just acting innocent. So the first thing is, always notice her actions, not her words. If she isn't acting interested, no matter what she is telling you, she is not into you, she is just wasting your time. A woman normally keeps a number of beta orbiters around her for number of reasons. For free attention, free validations, and many times for free favors also. And sometimes women also keep some of the beta orbiters around her because she is always thinking, what if the guy I am currently into relationship with breaks up with me? Then what? Women can't stay alone. That's her worst fear. If you boys can understand this much only, that a woman can't stay alone and she craves men's attention so much that it's hard for her to live without that, you can start winning the game. Start using your attention as currency and never spend it on any woman who doesn't conform you and treats you special. So guys, those were 12 excuses that women often make to keep us as one of her orbiter. So now next time you listen to any one of these excuses, it is time to let her go. Immediately stop giving her attention, because if you still keep on messaging her even after listening to any of those excuses, it's you who lose the game, because she will not mind one more fan, one more orbiter in her collection. You better get busy in your life. She isn't into you. She will just waste your time, and woman never minds it. She never minds leeching on your precious time. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one with some new topic to talk about. Till then, hasta la vista, peace.